Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an unboxing of a box case that we bought to put our GoPros. So we got it from Amazon. It cost us something around $20. So we got it from normal post, not express post, because if we got it from express post we'll have to pay another $12 something extra. So we got it in normal delivery, normal post, and it took us about 1 week to get to us. So let's go ahead and let's do the unboxing. Let's cut this. Okay. Alright, so we got the large case, so we can put about 2 GoPros in here. Yeah, we can put 2 GoPros in here. Actually, we have 2 GoPros. That's why when we got the new GoPro Hero 13, I showed you the unboxing in the last video. And this is the case. I'll put this box aside. Okay. It feels a bit good, sturdy. We got our carrying handle. Show you inside. Yes, so these the styrofoam cutouts. You can put, I think, 2 GoPros and batteries in here. This is for, I think, cables and other accessories. So even you can put the GoPro with the mounting on. So yeah, so that's it. You can put also the cables in here, and then yeah, so that's it. I think I will show you. I'll put one GoPro in and I will show you how it looks. So this is the GoPro without any mounting kits. Yeah, it pretty much fits inside. Yeah, it stays put. It doesn't roll off. I think it yeah, it doesn't come out. So that's pretty good. And also it's yeah, it doesn't hit everywhere, move around. So it's quite safe to put the GoPro in here. So you can put 2 of them and extra batteries and other parts, accessories here. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.